Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack. This is how to save all your messenger media on iCloud. So, guys, to do this, first thing is of course open up your messenger application. And guys, I want to tell you that there is no direct built-in feature to transfer media straight from the messenger app to iCloud. So what you could try to do is you have to do this manually. So go to your friend message and select their name at the top, and then go ahead and go view media files and links, and from here just simply go ahead and select some photos or videos on your friend media, and you will have the download icon on the top right corner. So make sure to download everything that you need, or you can do them one by one if you really want to download everything. Now from here, just simply go ahead and go to your settings. And now, after that, you will just simply go to your name at the top. Now, over here, go for the iCloud and go for the photos. And from here, select sync this phone. And after that, you should be able to save your messenger media on iCloud, and just simply select enable to turn on the sync into the Google Photos. So every time you save a photo or video into your messenger, it will be redirected to the iCloud automatically. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.